Good morning, my love. Welcome to this Monday morning meditation for when you just don't feel like going to work or school, but know you have to. Mondays can be tough, and we sometimes need that extra motivation to get us started. We would rather stay in bed, but we know we can't, because we have responsibilities. Things needs to get done, money needs to be earned, and classes need to be attended. And even if we like our job, it can still be hard to get started, as we think of all the other things we would rather do. So let us change our mindset. Let us go from seeing our job and school as something we have to do, and instead look at it as something we want to do. Let us look at Monday morning as a fresh start, a new beginning, rather than the end of the weekend. And let us enjoy this beautiful day, instead of waiting for it to be over. Because if weekends are all we are looking forward to, we waste the majority of our lives, unable to fully appreciate each moment, and unable to see the beauty that is in every day of our lives. So let us start this day, this Monday morning, feeling great, feeling excited, and most importantly, feeling grateful. Grateful for another day of life, and grateful for another beautiful morning. So sit up, keeping your back nice and straight, yet relaxed, and then close your eyes and take a deep breath all the way down into your stomach. Fill your body with fresh new energy, and then release negative emotions and negative thoughts as you breathe out. So inhale fresh morning air, and exhale tiredness from your body and mind. Breathing in deeply, and breathing out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, breathing in fresh morning air and charging your body with new energy as you breathe. Now visualize yourself walking out of your front door as you head to work. The sun is shining, and you can hear the birds singing in the trees around you. They are so jolly and so full of life. You breathe in the fresh air and let it cleanse your mind and body. The warm summer sun is bathing your face and body, and you just stand there and take in this healing experience. What a perfect moment. What a positive moment. You feel the soft wind caressing your skin. It feels great, and it removes that drowsiness from your body and mind. Being inside for so long has drained you of your energy. But now that you are outside, surrounded by life and surrounded by nature, you're starting to feel renewed, cleansed, and bright. So you breathe in this fresh morning air and let the sun fill you with new energy. This is perfection, this is bliss, and this is the beauty of those mundane experiences. 'Cause no experience is really mundane. A child doesn't think so, 'cause they look at each moment as a new experience, and they give their full attention to that moment with an open heart and an open mind, ready to learn, ready to experience, and ready to be present. Sometimes we need to find that inner child in us, to look at life with a childlike curiosity, being present and being mindful, 'cause then no moment will be mundane, no experience will be ordinary, and no minute will be wasted. So experience this beautiful moment, this beautiful morning, and allow yourself to be truly present. Now take a deep breath and then say to yourself in your mind or out loud, "Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful morning." Then slowly open your eyes. Now start your day with a positive mindset, knowing that every day should be cherished, should be fully experienced, so that you can learn to enjoy every day of your life instead of just the weekends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I am Jay Bittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.